All right, just got this for our new rod. We're gonna replace it. We're gonna set it up, and then we're gonna test it out. We're actually going fishing tomorrow to the ocean, and we're gonna wind it down with all the cable right now, all the string, and get it ready for tomorrow. All right, the problem with this one right here, it's hard to reel it in because I got larger hands, so this is a little smaller. Look at that. Oh, it's a big one. It's a shark. Yeah. You ready?
Hmm?
Two of them. Yeah, these are.
Okay.
Too small.
Awesome.